In mathematics, there are 4 basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But we may be familiar with them already, so here we're just going to mention 3 things about those operations. Number 1. Subtraction is addition with negative. 3 minus 2, for example, is just 3 plus negative 2. And this notion can sometimes come in handy. How? Well, addition is commutative and associative. That means in a chain of additions like this, we are free to rearrange the numbers and choose whichever addition to be done first, which one to be done next, etc. But subtraction is neither commutative nor associative, so we cannot do the same thing to expression that also involves subtractions, like this one, unless we change those to additions, and now we're just as free as before. Actually, to manipulate the expression, we don't need to convert those subtractions to additions. We just need to treat those numbers that subtract together with their subtractions as inseparable units. Then we can manipulate them as if they were just additions. Number 2. Division is multiplication. Multiplication with inverse. What is inverse? Well, the inverse of a number, say a, is 1 over a. So the inverse of 2 is 1 over 2. Thus, a division, say 4 divided by 2, can be changed into multiplication of 4 times 1 over 2. Now multiplication, like addition, is commutative and associative, while division, like subtraction, is not. So by changing division to multiplication like so, we are freeing the expression so that we can rearrange the numbers and choose the order of operations. But chances are you don't need to convert divisions to multiplications because, well, divisions are rarely written like that. Instead, you may see divisions written like this, which is our third point. Number 3. Division is fraction. Well, can be written as fraction. For example, 4 divided by 2 can be written as fraction 4 over 2. Mixed operations of multiplications and divisions can also be written as fraction. For example, the previous expression can be written as this. See that those numbers that multiply become numerators, while those that divides become denominators. Also see that this notation is 1. Relatively short, and 2. Easy to understand, and that's why people prefer to use this notation. Probably. Anyway, we've talked about those 3 things about math operations. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.